Hello and welcome to this video. I'll be showing you how to create realistic AI images of yourself. In this video, I'll be taking you through the step-by-step guide that will take you through creating these images. I know you have seen these images on Facebook, you've seen them on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp and all that, and your concern might have been, how are these things created? Don't just worry about that, as I will be taking you through how to create this in less than 5 minutes or so. So if you're new to my channel, please, it's a good thing for you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I do videos that has to do with Amazon affiliate marketing, which is what my channel is mainly all about, also helping you solve other tips and tricks like what we're about to do in this video. So please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and that's where you can like and share this video, as most persons will be needing it as well to know how to create these realistic AI images. So without further ado, let's just get started with this. Okay, once I open up the home interface of this app, this is what the home interface looks like. But if you're opening yours for the first time, you'll just be met with a place that will be telling you to sign up, and the sign up process is just a simple read and click thing. So once you just follow up through the short process, you just sign up an account and you just be met with this interface that will just require you to do whatever you want to do with this tool. So like, we have 4 things that this tool can simply help you do. It can help you enhance your picture, like maybe you have a picture of you that is a kind of blur, and maybe the quality, it was from a smaller maybe a phone of low quality, and you want to enhance the production. This tool can help you. You can use it to generate the AI photos like we'll do in this video. You can see AI avatars, you can see AI filters. So these are just much that we can do with this tool. But for our own concern, we want to work on AI photos, how to create AI photos with this tool. So I'll just simply hit at AI photos. Once I hit at the AI photos, okay, let me clear something here. I know at this point you might want to ask, what's the name of this tool that we are using to create these images? Please just stay till the end of this video, as I will definitely be telling you the name of this app we'll be using to create this AI image. Just stay till the end. But first thing, why I'm not giving you now is I want you to learn the process first, so at the end you get the app, so you don't just rush into getting the app and want to try things and you miss things out. So just stay till the end, as I will be showing you that. So once I click on AI image, I will be met with this interface. So the first thing I will do is to create a profile. Like you see, let's set up a profile. Who am I creating? Who do I want to design this image for? Am I designing for a male or a female? In this case, I will be designing for a male, so I will choose male and I will continue. So you're creating a profile so that you help the AI understand what the image you want to create looks like. So since I've selected that, you can see down here it says I should, like this point says, I should upload 8 selfies, like 8 selfies of the person I want to create this image for, and the 8 selfies must be from one person. It's not what you mix up, like you take part of your pictures and mix them up with some other person's pictures. No, it should be 8 of your pictures, so that it will just help the AI understand your look and know how to generate these images for you. So I'll just hit that upload. So once I hit that upload, you can see I've used this account to create some AI images before now. So I want to create for this person up here. I will just pick 8 of his images I have. Okay, let me just go to gallery. I don't to get the other ones, like I have 7. Okay, I've selected the required 8 photos like I have here. Let's just count it and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8. So once I've selected the 8 images, I will just come to continue. So once I hit that continue, it will just tell me now to pick a model. What do I want my image to look like? Should it be somebody like have a muscular look, carrying a child, or this, or I want it to have a baby look. Just any of these images are possible. Like, or do I want something like a doctor, like I have here, a doctor like I have here, a firefighter in a cute, like any of these I want, a police officer, and all these things are images I can create. Like I can model any of these, so any of them I want, I can just simply pick on that. So let me just go create something around. What do I just create? Let me create something around. Let me just pick one out of this. Let me pick one out of this. Okay, let me create something around this. Okay, once I pick the model I want, I will just say use model like I have here. So once I've selected the model I want, I will say use model. So this will create, like you can see, uploading. This will create an AI image of this picture I've uploaded using that model. So the person will just fit into that very model we have selected. So it's just uploading. This is the first time I'm using and I'm creating for this person, and you can see it will take, they will bring out an information to tell you how long this will take, but it wouldn't just take 6 minutes and this first one will be created. Why? Because it's the first time I'm creating for this person, so the AI will take time to understand what this person actually looks like. But the second one I'll be creating for that person will just be in 3 minutes. So that is just how it is. Let me just pause it and let it load up very fast. Okay, like you can see on the screen, it says we are working on your photo. Like it's telling us that this will take about 5 minutes, like you see here. Since it's the first time, then you look down here, you see, don't worry, the first will take a longer time. So that is how it is. This first one will take, like you see there, the estimated 5 minutes. So this can be done in 5 minutes, but the subsequent ones we'll be creating will be in less than 3 minutes. So let's just hang on for this first one to create, and the second one will continue. Like another question some persons will be asking is, after creating for this first this person, and I want to create for another person, what do I need to do? Like uploading, like I told you initially, you don't need to upload images of two persons at a time, and you cannot just, since you have the images of this first person, you don't need to upload another one of the other person. It will not generate. So I will show you how to create a profile for the next person you want to be creating this video for. So let's just wait for this one to complete and we'll continue with that step. Okay, I just completed the count and it's just generating the pictures, and soon the pictures will start coming up. Like this, how fast this thing is just depends on the state of your mobile network. If your network is fast, it takes less than the 5 minutes it even stated. But if your network is slow, it can even extend more than that. So it just depends on the state of your network. So in case if you see something contrary or fast at your own end, just know that your network has a role to play. So, like you see the first one now, it has generated the first image for me. So what I will just do, I have two ways to handle this. I can either save this image by just swiping to the left, or if I don't want it, I will swipe to the right, or I can as well come down to this point and click on this download icon or delete icon. So if I click on download icon, it will download. If I click on delete, it will not save. Or if I swipe to the right like this, it will save. Then if I swipe to the left, it will delete. So any of the options I choose, it is just the same thing it will serve. So I swipe to the right to save this. I swipe to the right, that one has been saved. I swipe again, it has been saved. I swipe again, then to the left, that's delete. To the right, it will save. To the left, it will delete. So that's just what it is. So, and if you want to have a video of what you have just created, you can as well save the video. Like in my own case, I'm not saving the video. Okay, if you just say yes, it will just save the video for you. Like the collection of the images generated will just be in a compilation of a video. So That is the first one. I'll quickly create another one to tell you that the second one is usually faster than the first. So I will generate another one now, then I will show you how to create a profile for another person. Like you can use this as a source of income. Like you can be designing. Most persons are looking at mainly for these AI images. You can create them for people and you make something out of it. So that is it. So let's go to the second one and see what we can generate out of these images for the person for the second time to tell you that one will be faster. So let me just close this one up here, and you can see change model. Like I have here, this person's image is here already, so it's telling me to change model. Like I should change what I want the image, the end image to look like. So let me just look around. Maybe I will do where to. Okay, let me use something like this guy right here. Let me use this one. I will just say use a model. You can see this one will generate faster. Okay, like see the time now. It's telling me I have just 200 seconds, which is just like in 3 minutes it will just generate, unlike the other one that took as much as 5 to 6 minutes. So this one will just generate very fast. But please, if you're getting value from this video, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel, as I talk mainly on Amazon affiliate marketing, other tips and tricks that help you make money online, even like the tips like this one to help you solve them. So that's just what this channel is all about. Subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on other contents of this nature or making money online. So let's just continue with this. Okay, the second one has completed is processing as well. Like this one took less than the 3 minutes it even stated. Before it got to about 60 minutes remaining, it's just jumped to conclude it. So they just estimated that time, but it doesn't get to that 3 minutes. So within a short time as well, this one will start coming out. So this is just to tell you that the first one is just where you have the hinge, but the second one and subsequent ones you create will be faster than what you saw in the first one. So after this one now, let this one just come up. I will be showing you how to create a profile for another person using the same app, because the app was just like designed for your personal use, but you can see create other profile for other people and use it to make money from designing these images for people. So let's just wait for this one to come up. We'll save and we'll go ahead to create this profile. Okay, that's it. This is the first image from the design. So this is the first image. I will swipe right to save. The second one is still like network, still struggling to come out. Like, so you can just save or you continue whichever way. Even if I swipe to the right now, this can still save. If I swipe to the left, it will delete. Like you can see, this one is the 5th one now. If I swipe to the right, it will just save. If I swipe to the left, it will delete, even if it hasn't come out to this place. Okay, let me just do all that and swipe, and I will save them. This is the second one. You can see the third one now. I swipe to the right, I swipe to the right, I go to the left, I go to the right. I have saved it. So I see, you can still see I don't want to save the video this time. Let me just remove the video. So from this point now, I can still change a model, but I will not be doing that anymore. I have designed to, but I know you have learned you've seen how to create these images for yourself. So the next thing up now is just how do you create a profile for another person. Like I want to design for a female this time. What will I do? I will just need to create a profile for that person before designing, because I cannot just come and add images to this very one I have already that is on a male profile or a person's profile, and I want it to generate. No. So what I will just do if I want to create a profile for another person is to go up here. If I go up here where you have this settings icon, and I will just hit at that settings. If I hit at it, it will open up and you see this option retrain AI model. So you need to retrain it. That's like to reprogram the idea it has about the image there already. So you just click on the retrain. So once you click on the retrain, it will tell you to delete the old model you want, or no, you want to keep it, but I want to delete it. I don't need it anymore, so I can just delete that model. You can see it has given me a place to create another AI profile. Like, for who do I want to create for now? Let me assume I want to create for a female. I will just click on female, and I will continue just like I did in the other time, the first time when I started. You can now see upload 8 selfies of the female, so I can now just hit as upload, and I will get the upload of the 8 persons like that. So that is just it about this. So the name of this app, like I said, I will tell you, is Remini. Like the spelling is on the screen, you're seeing there is Remini, and it's a paid tool. Actually, like when you're signing up, it will require you to input your card details, but in as much as you're inputting your card details, you will not be charged. They will give you a 7 days free trial. You can cancel the subscription even maybe after subscribing with your card, and you can just go and cancel your card from the Play Store. Like the next video I'll be dropping, that's the video. If you check in the description of this very video you're watching now, you will see a video that will show you how to cancel your card. For some persons that might be saying, how do I cancel my card after this sign up? I will just show you. But the subscription is just about 1,700 or 800 naira for a whole, like a week or two. Something, it should be 2 weeks. You can just subscribe for 1,800 naira, and you do all this. Like you can just create videos for people, and you make this money back. So that is it about this. But don't fail to watch the next video if you actually want to do this, so that you know how to subscribe, how to cancel this subscription. Please still do well to subscribe to this channel, as we'll be sharing other tips and tricks that makes your journey on the internet easy, while even creating opportunities that helps you make money. So see you next time. Goodbye.